In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shapes on PowerPoint transparent. Imagine this, you're working on a PowerPoint presentation and you've got the perfect text and images lined up. There's just one problem, the shapes in your slides are too bold, too opaque, and they're overshadowing your message rather than enhancing it. What if I told you that with a few clicks you can add a whole new layer of sophistication to your slides by adjusting the transparency of these shapes? Well, stick around because that's exactly what we're diving into today. First off, let's get PowerPoint open. For many of you this step is as familiar as riding a bike, but whether you're opening PowerPoint for the first or the 1000th time, remember that every great presentation begins with that first click. Now, with PowerPoint up and running, the next thing you're going to do is navigate to the opening screen and open your file. This is your stage, your canvas, where creativity meets clarity. So find the file you're working on and let's unlock its full potential. The next step involves the shapes you're looking to adjust. PowerPoint offers a wide range of shapes, rectangles, circles, arrows, the works. For our project today, go ahead and select the shape on your slide that you wish to make transparent. This might involve a bit of clicking around if your slide is busy, but once you've got your shape selected, we're ready to move on to the magic part. Here's where it gets a tad technical, but stick with me. You're going to right-click on the shape you've just selected. Right-clicking in PowerPoint, like in many software applications, brings up a context menu full of options specific to what you've clicked on, saving you time and clicks. In the menu that appears, look for and click on Format Shape. This is essentially the backstage of your shape's appearance, where you can tweak everything from color fills to line styles. But today, our focus narrows on one particular setting: transparency. Within the Format Shape panel, you'll find the slider for adjusting the transparency level of your shape. This slider is pretty intuitive. Drag it to the left and your shape becomes more opaque. Drag it to the right and your shape starts fading into the background, allowing whatever is behind it to peek through. Adjusting this transparency level is not just about making things less visible, it's about balance. It's about allowing your background to complement your shape rather than compete with it. You'll want to play around with this slider until you find that sweet spot where your shape enhances your slide's overall composition without overpowering it. And there you have it. With your shape's transparency adjusted, your PowerPoint slide has this added dimension, a touch of finesse that can make your presentation stand out. Remember, the key to effective PowerPoint presentations doesn't lie just in what you say, but in how visually compelling you can make your slides. Adjusting transparency is just one tool in a vast toolbox designed to help you convey your message in the most impactful way possible. So, the next time you're working on a presentation and find yourself struggling with shapes that are too bold or intrusive, recall this simple process. Open your presentation, select your shape, right-click for Format Shape, and gently slide into transparency. It's a small step for PowerPoint, but it could be a giant leap for your presentation's effectiveness. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're a PowerPoint newbie or a seasoned pro, I hope this tutorial brings a little more clarity and creativity to your presentations. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will help you become a PowerPoint master.